Made my life feel like a movie, everything just seems so crazy. They be texting me back, but I don't bother, I said maybe.
Energy's been pretty shit in the house lately, so we're just gonna fucking toss this thing in the Mino and just bug today.
We're literally just gonna give you guys a whole bunch of random content.
If you don't like it, just go to subscribe to some lame shit like PewDiePie or whatever that shit is.
Today's about to be a whole bunch of Blue's Clues shit. First go.
Come on, baby, give me something. Ooh. A big shout out to Buttery Rentals.
He opens a rental company.
Run her down! Oh, dude! Your car's out of commission! Oh, dude, take this thing!
I'm gonna walk into Goodwill and walk out like I just came out of Rodeo. Watch.
We look like every other YouTuber.
I was just gonna say, I was so excited for this part.
But every YouTuber has money. You think it'll pop if it fell or no? Maybe it'll, do you think it'll?
That's what Rizzy said not to do. He's like, cause imagine if it did that in the store and it hit someone.
Yeah.
Live close by, and I was a little bothered as to why you did record me, so I'm curious why.
We're just filming YouTube, it's just funny.
I've had like a really fucking bad day, and it looked like you were laughing at me.
No, we weren't laughing at you, we were laughing at what we were saying. This hot piece of ass. You think this setup will pull her? What's up, girl? Fuck.
It looked exactly how you would assume it would look.
Yeah.
To make it better, we'll blur your face if we do end up putting it in.
I'd rather you not.
You filmed that chick and she's fucking triggered from it.
I know, it's gnarly. Imagine filming like a dude that's 6'5", bulk as fuck, huge, that doesn't like it.
And just
comes
beats your
back,
ass.
yeah.
You thirsty?
A little bit, yeah.
You like Coke?
Yeah.
Take one. In the back seat right there, take one.
Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Not the hairspray. Thank you.
Yeah. You have a good day.
Thank you.
See? Help the Coke addicts in need, you know? The Coke
thumbnail, helping Coke addicts with Coke. Alright, so we just got to Andy's. We got all the fucking Cokes. 110's gone. Shane already freaking unloaded it. He's probably back here bugging. We'll go check him out right now.
Check out this fit.
I'm actually really jealous. I kind of want to go and get some.
We're just gonna jump into like a bug ass montage and it's just gonna be dummy fire.
They want to see a backflip again.
Alright, we'll bug out. I don't really fuck with BMX anymore, I only fuck with 110s.
Lately I've been living like I can't take a loss. They ain't wanna help me, that's what made me a boss. You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. We don't give a fuck, that's what they don't understand. I'm back again like flu season, I broke records while loose leafing. I'm coming down my roof, leaving, don't give a fuck, I don't care. Did the shit by my lonesome, no wonder now I'm on one. No shortcuts on that long run, all I really want is my share. Get on my god, I told him it's nothing. End of discussion.
Oh my god!
It's okay, the drip makes up for it. It was fun at Andy's. Let's go take off on these Cocomentos. Let's go be like every YouTuber. You guys down?
Let's go.
Hey, bye Andy. Thanks for letting us use you and ride your ramps and stuff. Maybe we'll get like an Instagram tag. He has like 100K followers.
Hopefully. Yeah, we usually need to go for like Tanner's or like Millie's.
Yeah, let's go to Tanner's. Look at this drip. Tell me any other boob tubers that is this dripped out. We in the Mino dripped out, bugging. Look at that place is to die for. Get it? Get it?
Die?
I guarantee you guys that Timmy and Space Jack are not having as much as fun as us. Like, I get that they're probably fucking doing shrooms and taking pictures of leaves and shit.
ate 2 different fucking bitches' booties last night. Dude, like, 2 booty with the gold girls, and the girls are booty girls right now,
Snap
bro.
the grill in.
This guy for sure fecal matter on you. Fecal matter grills.
Crabs are just fucking taking over, you know? Oh, so very the BMX pussies are here, so we're gonna go ride some BMX. Speaking of BMX pussies, look at this BMX pussy. Oh my god, bugging. You can hear the turtle. Yeah, dude, we're freaking riding BMX.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, let's go home.
Alright.
I don't want to be here anymore.
No clips. There's no cloud here.
Yeah, there's no cloud. Wait,
Wait.
How many followers you got? 10. Oh, okay, cool. You can give us a tag?
Yeah, I got
Oh, cool, thanks. That's all we need. Yeah. Cool. Hey, there's clout here.
There is cloud.
So we'll stick around for a bit. Yeah.
See that sick case?
That was fire, dude.
Just like you.
Oh yeah, we'll roll the clip of me casing.
Oh!
Shane's killing it, by the way. Absolutely killing it. Flip.
I'm trash.
Do a front flip.
We'll try a flip bar.
Alright. I'll get over there.
No one's gonna watch this vlog because there's no fucking 110s in it.
Oh!
No one's watching. There's just no 110s, so like, you might as well just tune out.
Oh! Classic Shane Davis lander.
Fucking fish head.
Yo! Gert! Yo, Gert! Jesus.
Oh, baby!
God damn, son. Hey, thanks for filming, man.
Yeah, dude. I'll be invoicing you guys in about like a couple days.
Alright, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that stupid like button. Comment some stupid bug shit. Stay tuned for every Wednesday's vlogs. We got some fire shit coming for you guys soon here. Get us to 20K as soon as possible. Like and subscribe.